Alright, so here becomes the repair. Start by taking off the bottom cover, remove the 4 screws. Removing the bottom cover will give you access to the inside PC board, internal battery, and in this case, the foot switch. Since we know the foot switch is damaged, we're going to start by replacing it. It's attached to a PC board, so it'll make replacement fairly easy. We've got a replacement model. So if you push it, oh, now it wants to intermittently click. That's nice. Suddenly came back to life. Well, because we weren't getting this trigger action out of it when it was put back into its housing, we're going to go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. You can hear the clicks much louder, much more pronounced. All right. So we're going to use our desoldering iron. Make quick work of this. Try not to burn the other wires. And go back and free them from the pads. It's a pretty tight fit. If this doesn't pop it free, we'll just work it back and forth, 2 pads at a time. There we go. I felt that start to give. There we go. Out, nice and clean. The PC board's nice and clean. Nice and clean and ready for rework.